No, don't go in there. Come on, put it in. Yay, Alex! Peter?
Is he kissing the bug?
Alex, you can't go in there.
Yay, Alex!
Next. Come on, Peter.
What a
Alex, stop.
good big brother. Look at your... Oh, that's so good.
Yeah.
Almost.
Come on, Peter. No. Don't throw it overboard.
He says I have to kiss the bug first, and then I put the ball in. See? Awesome job, boys. Last time, Alex. Looky there. Good job.